What's the meaning of constipation? Constipation. Constipation.
Constipation. Constipation. Constipation refers to a condition where an individual has difficulty passing stools or has infrequent bowel movements. It occurs when stool moves too slowly through the digestive tract, causing the body to absorb too much water from the stool and making it hard and dry. This can lead to symptoms such as bloating, abdominal pain, and discomfort. If left unaddressed, constipation can cause complications including hemorrhoids, anal fissures, and fecal impaction. It is important to maintain a healthy lifestyle with adequate hydration, fiber intake, and physical activity to prevent constipation.